stripping copper wires with my bare hands. You said I'd find something worth saving here, but all I taste is metal on my tongue. The scraps won't pay for what we've lost. Aluminum cans pile up like broken promises. Silver tarnished black as your goodbye. I'm dissolving circuits in the kitchen sink, watching precious metals float away. Pour the acid, watch it burn. Everything I thought I'd earned, melting down to nothing pure. Just like us, there's no cure in this rain that never stops. All my hope just slowly drops. Gold flakes settle at the bottom like the words you never said. I scrape them up with shaking fingers, count the grams of what's left dead. The fumes make my eyes water. Maybe that's just how I feel when everything you thought was solid turns to liquid. Nothing's real. Hate the forge, pour the mold, turn my heart to bars of cold. Pour the acid, watch it burn. Everything I thought I earned, melting down to nothing pure. Just like us, there's no cure in this rain that never stops. All my hope just slowly drops. Tell me why you had to leave when I was just learning to believe that broken things could be remade into something that won't fade. Now I'm sitting with these ingots, small and heavy in my palm, worth more than they were whole. But the emptiness won't come. The rain keeps falling on the window, washing away the smoke and dust, while I count my metal fortune built from everything we lost. Pour the acid, watched it burn. Nothing left for me to earn. Melted down to something pure, but it still won't bring back good in this rain that never stops.